everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and today is a special day. We are doing a collaboration with a bunch of channels that agreed to jump in on this called Snacks of Summer. And it's not all going to be snacks necessarily, but it's just a collaboration of food that for 4th of July or summer or different stuff. And I want to thank every channel that decided to join this collaboration. But before we get into today's recipe, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. I do a lot of cooking live shows both on Wednesday night and Saturday morning, so check me out. Today's video, we are making broccoli salad. This is one of my favorite side dishes of summer. I have been eating this since I was literally knee-high to a grasshopper. My mother makes this salad and I absolutely love it. So what you're gonna need first and foremost is broccoli. And I have broken up and rinsed about 3 heads of broccoli right here. So I'm gonna throw this in the bowl. Okay, and to this, I'm gonna add a half a red onion. Now the recipe calls for a whole onion. To me that was gonna be, because the onion I had was huge, I'm just using a half of one. Now if you like a lot of red onion, knock yourself out. I don't think I need that much onion. And then to that, I'm going to add about a half a cup of chopped up almonds. The recipe called for onion slices. I didn't have any, but I had a huge bag that I had bought from Sam's.
Almond slices. You said onion.
Did I say onion? Almond slices. I wasn't going to go buy more almonds, so I just chopped up some almonds. I'm going to add that. And then I'm going to make my dressing. Also have some bacon over here, but we'll add that in a minute. To this, I'm adding a cup of whipped salad dressing. I prefer the whipped versus mayonnaise for this. And basically what this is a coleslaw dressing. Now, here's the thing. If you wanted to use the bottled coleslaw dressing, it would work. I have actually done that before. But I prefer making my own. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And I'm going to add, I know it's a lot, but it works.
Half a cup.
I know. Listen to him back there. Half cup sugar. Salt and pepper to taste. I like a little pepper here. And you're gonna mix this up. And then just eyeball this on your salad. If it looks like it's gonna be, just kind of, if you don't need all of it, don't put all of it on. Now, to me, you need to eat this pretty soon after you make it up. I don't like it the next day. Some people, they prefer it the next day. I don't. I prefer eating it right then. Now, I'm going to get another spoon. I'm going to mix this up. And I'm going to add our bacon. Now, here's another thing. I saw a recipe that said you could use fake bacon or bacon bits, or don't do that. Use real bacon. If you're going to take the time to make something, use real food. You know me and fake food. I just don't do it. I'm gonna pull a little bit out for my husband.
No, go ahead.
All right, he says go ahead. He has this thing against mayonnaise or Miracle Whip. But I told him, you like coleslaw? So I think he's gonna give it a try. I'm gonna pour a little bit on this before I try all of it. And just, that looks like a lot. Because it may not need all of that. And I don't think it does. Because I think this recipe is actually if you use a whole lot more broccoli. Yeah. Yeah, so you probably could cut this recipe in half because I don't think you would need all that. And I'm glad I didn't dump all of it on there. All right, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to get, I'm just gonna pour some back up in this little bowl right here. I can eat, what's that? Bacon abuse. I can eat this for a whole meal. I won't eat this much of it because I can't eat that much. But I can literally eat this for an entire meal. I'm gonna walk around here, get closer to the camera, and show y'all how amazing this looks. Don't that look good? Thank y'all so much for joining me today, and thank you for all the channels who agreed to do this collaboration for me. This has been amazing, and I've got some great channels joining me. So be sure and watch the rest of this playlist and the other channels that are doing this collaboration. I appreciate y'all more than you will ever know. God bless. Have a great day. Love you guys. See you on the next video.